Alright, so today we're doing pinto beans. These are turkey necks, and what I did was I rinsed them and then boiled them in some salt water, and then I took those out before they were done and I rinsed them again. Now I'm about to add my beans and some seasoning. Alright, y'all, so I put some onion and some celery. The celery is optional. Really, everything is optional. But if you want it to taste like mine, then guess what? You got to do what I do. Anyway, the celery is really totally up to you. I had some left over from Thanksgiving and I didn't want to throw it away, so it's going in this pot of beans. So I put celery, onions, and then if you look closely, you may see some garlic, minced garlic floating around in there. All right, now I am about to add some pinto bean seasoning. I'm just going, hold on, y'all. All right, I went ahead and I just popped the lid off of this, because I'm just gonna pour that in there. Okay, then I'm gonna add some ground cumin, just like that, and my beans. I'm gonna stir that all in, put a lid on it, and let it cook.